Welcome to the planet of fitness recipes, where clean eating meets delicious flavor and every bite gets you closer to your fitness goals. Whether you are shredding for summer, bulking for strength, or just trying to eat healthier without giving up taste, this is the place for you. From high protein breakfasts that kickstart your day to lean lunches, muscle building dinners, and even guilt free desserts, we have got everything you need to fuel your body and satisfy your cravings. No boring meals, no bland chicken and rice every day, just creative, easy to make recipes that actually taste amazing and support your brain. Want to meal prep like a pro, looking for low cal, high protein snacks? Need plant based option that still pack the macros? We have got it all right here. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and get ready to transform your kitchen into a fitness powerhouse. Welcome to the planet of fitness recipes.